Hi, today let's make tasty Punjabi chicken curry. This goes really very well with rice, naan, chapati, ghee rice or jeera rice. First, in a blender, you need to add in onions. Next, you need to add in some chopped tomatoes. Here, I'm adding in ginger garlic paste. If you want to, you can add in chopped ginger and garlic as well, fresh. Next, I'm adding in some green chilies. Blend it into a smooth paste and keep it aside. Now, in a pot, heat some oil. Once the oil has heated, add in some basic spices like jeera, bay leaf, pepper, dry red chilies, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves. Mix it really very well till the flavor is infused in the oil. Right after that, you need to add in the blended puree of the tomato which we did previously and mix it really very well till the oil separates from the tomato. And now let's add in some basic spices, like here I've added in some salt to taste. Next, I'm adding in some Kashmiri chili powder. Kashmiri chili powder gives great color to the gravy. Next, I'm adding in some turmeric powder. Next, I'm adding in some cumin powder along with some coriander powder and garam masala, and mix all this really very well till the raw smell goes and the oil separates from the gravy. The main thing for this particular gravy is the raw smell needs to go, and roasting or mixing this masala really very well is the main heart of this particular Punjabi chicken curry. Now the base has been my gravy has been beautifully roasted and cooked. Now I've added in cleaned and washed chicken and give it a good mix. Once the chicken is beautifully coated with the masala, cover it with the lid for at least 5 to 6 minutes, and then again what you need to do is give it a good mix. Now, next you need to add in yogurt here. Before you add the yogurt, beat it really very well so that you get the beautiful silky texture, and then mix it really very well. Next, I'm adding in hot water. Please do not add cold water because it changes the temperature. Add in hot water and then give it a good mix. Again, close it with the lid for another 5 to 6 minutes, and because this will let the chicken boil really very well with all the masalas and the gravy. Now I'm adding in some crushed kasuri methi. Next, I'm adding in some fresh cream as well. And then finally, you need to add in some coriander leaves for garnishing, and let the gravy beautifully boil, and your tasty Punjabi chicken curry is ready. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.